Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages, today we have at Tim Short Classics a 1947 Ford. This 47 Ford is a Ford enthusiast dream. It's all Ford. Mustang II suspension under the front, 8.8 Ford rear end in the rear, rocking a 302, and it's got 4-speed automatic transmission. So you've got a good cruising gear to going down the highway. This little truck is about perfect. I'd show this truck. It's not, I say a lot of drivers and stuff like that just to cover us, just in case it's got a little nick here and there, but this truck could be shown. Got a little spot right there. Now we're gonna pick out the flaws. The running boards are really nice. Under the doors are nice. Interior is really nice. It's got a little spot right here on the seat, I guess wire getting in and out, because it does have 11,000 miles on the build, if you can see right there. And tilt steering and vintage heating there. And look there, there's your Diet Pepsi holders. That's what I drink. That's what Cindy likes, Diet Pepsi. I don't know, she's been getting away from it lately. She likes the Diet Dr. Pepper. Can't say it. Get this inside the bed. Look how pretty that wood is. But then again, guess what? It's not wood. That's metal. Never gonna rot out on you. So when you say knock on wood, better knock on something else, because that's not it. Toolbox. It's not factory, but it is toolbox. It does have lock and key for it. God, that shadow kills me. There's no rust underneath the truck. No holes in the floorboard. Tow pig package. Don't know if I'd hook a 26-foot camper to it, but you can hook something to it. Don't know that bed's ever had anything hauled in it since it's been restored. This is the first time this truck's been offered on the market for sale. So this is one that you can't mess with me and say, oh, I seen that on the internet. It's not been on the interwebs. This truck is local build. The gentleman, as he gotten a little more mature, had decided he needs something with a little more leg room, because, you know, it is a truck. It's not a sedan. He bought a sedan off of me, traded this in on. Same color sedan too, except it was a 37 model. And to show you how meticulous he is, when he got this, or got the sedan, it had a 350 small block in it. First thing he said, I'm going back forward with it. I don't need the 350 small block. It's coming out. I'm going forward. Just like he did with this truck. All forward. Jill bar grill's real nice. See if I can get down here again, because I looked under it a while ago when I did some pictures of it. She be clean underneath. It's got a little bubble in the paint right here. It's not rust or anything, it's just a little bubble. See if we can pop this hood one-handed. Look at that, guys, one-handed. .302. We did put a new Holley 600 carb on it. The carb on it was not really worse for wear, but it was Edelbrock, and it just had a little trouble tuning, so we just swapped her out, put this Holley on it. Chrome AC compressor, chrome alternator, electric fans, It's got electric fuel pump on it. So we're going to do a ride and drive video next. We kind of went backwards today. We got carried away wanting to drive it, so we took off and forgot to do the ride and drive up the mountain, because we are at the Pike County Airport, where we always do our filming at. It's always a beautiful spot. Even when it's cloudy out, it's still pretty up here. Things here are dying down a little bit, leaf-wise and grass-wise and all that, because it's getting ready to turn winter. And I don't know if I said that or not. Did I say anything about the snow they're giving for us for Thanksgiving? I don't remember. But anyway, they're giving snow. 2 inches of snow for us here for Thanksgiving, so. But that's 2 weeks out. We could be 85 degrees by that time, who knows? I would have been a great weatherman, because I'm good at getting stuff wrong. Anyway, I'm gonna let you hold the camera. I'm gonna shut this hood and we're gonna take her down the road. Pull my pants up, make sure I'm not a butt cut short. Hood shuts nice. So we're gonna do a little ride down the road. We got her turned around. Really narrow up here to turn. I don't know if y'all have ever watched any of my other videos, because I'm getting up to the 10s and 10s, almost 100 subscribers now, so I think we're like really sitting on like 1,600 or something. Thanks to everybody that watches our videos. We get some nice comments, we get some not so nice comments, because, you know, I'm not a videographer. I don't get paid to do this for a living. I do it for informational purposes to people buying cars. And I'm not a comedian, because comedians are starving on the streets every day. I try to be one. Headlights work great on it. Wipers work great. Truck steers like butter. If you're an inexperienced car guy and looking to get into the business and want something to drive to take your local shows and cruise-ins and get something that you don't have to work on when you get it, this would be a perfect truck for you. This is a truck you can just get in and drive on. Oh, speaking of that, all you new guys that are not, you know, car savvy and buying your first car, just bought your first car, you know, with the cold weather coming, go to O'Reilly's or Advance where they take good care of us. Get you one of those antifreeze testers. Test your antifreeze in it, make sure it's good to handle the cold for the winter. And also get you a bottle of Stay-Bil pour in it. Stay-Bil is really good to keep you from your jets from clogging up on your carburetor and your tank from coming up, your lines from coming up, because fuel sets and it gels over time. And just pour your bottle in your tank, start it up, let it run a little bit, let that circulate through your lines and your systems and your whatnots, and then shut it off, and you should be good for the winter. And also get you a good battery tender. Get you one that you can order on your battery, whatever you want to do, but you can get you a cheap alternative battery tender that plugs up to the wall and keeps your battery charged all winter long, because nothing worse than having, as soon as the weather breaks, you get your car out, having a dead battery and having to run and change it out. You know, it just makes it miserable. So all those 3 or 4 little things I just mentioned are good things to do for this winter. We do it to all our cars, just to make sure that they're good to go, and we hope that you do the same to yours. Because these are an investment. This is not something that you buy and you're going to lose money on in 3 or 4 years like you do a new car. This is something that you buy and you can drive for 5 or 6 years, and as long as you take care of it, turn around and make money on it. Because, you know, the new car business is always, you know, going to be there, but the classic cars have really come on the past several years. You know, with the advent of COVID, people staying home, to the whole thing with you know, just market values going up with your Barrett Jacksons and everything else that's on TV now. It just has driven this market if you're looking for a good vehicle, I'll go ahead and, we're down at the bottom of the mountain now. We've done a nice ride and drive, show you the brakes, no vibration in the steering wheel. If you're looking for a good vehicle, check us out today at timshortclassics.net. You can find this vehicle on Tim Short Classics social media stuff, all the Facebooks and the Instagrams and the TikToks and all that good stuff. Just look us up, give us a like, share, follow, leave us some comments on what you think of our videos and what I need to do better. Again, you can reach me at 606-220-3225, 606-220-3225, or you can email me at si1@timshortautomotive.com, or you can make sure I don't get run over here. Drop us a comment below. We do have financing available with approved credit, and as little as 10% down, up to 96 months on this vehicle. So, if you got a pretty good credit score, got some money down, we can get you in this ride. So if y'all don't care, thank you all for riding along with us. Y'all have a great day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.